Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Sadabahar plant is amongst the easiest flower plant to grow at home and is known by many names like Periwinkle, vinca, etc. Sadabahar plant also has a lot of health benefits. We have already made a video about Periwinkle before, so you can go to our playlist and watch that video. And it is always a good choice to add this perennial flowering plant to your home garden for an evergreen touch. Today's video will be about how my mom took care of last year's flowering plant. Sadabahar plants spread their seeds, so if you have only one Sadabahar plant in your garden, you can get a lot of baby plants. So my mom has got a cute little baby plant from there only and is planting it in a 6-inch pot. People say that 10-inch pot is required to grow a Sadabahar plant, but my mom has grew such beautiful flowers in 6-inch pot only. You also saw them in our previous videos. So today you will get to see how my mom grows her plants in a 6-inch pot. After giving so many flowers, they go to dormancy period in winter season. In the last week of February, my mom had cut all the branches and had pruned our periwinkle plant. You know, the climate in Delhi has an extreme hot weather, and this gives a bad effect to the plant. Temperature above 40 degrees Celsius may cause damage to the proteins and cause the leaves of the plant to become pale and fall off, ultimately causing the plant to die. So before May month comes, we take some special care for the plants. Some may ask, does Sadabahar plant need sunlight? Yes, Sadabahar plant needs sunlight. In fact, the best location for Sadabahar plant will be the one that gets direct sunlight in the morning and indirect filtered sunlight in the afternoon. But our roof doesn't have a shade or a green net, so it gets all direct sunlight from the morning to the evening. And because of that, our plant's leaves turn yellow and pale. But doing a technique, our plants have become so healthy and greener. My mom has given leaf compost and tea leaf compost and then has done mulching with brown paper. And if you shower it 2 times a day, then you can keep your plant green and healthy. I hope you have already watched our video of mulching, and if you have not still watched the video, then you must go and watch the video. I hope this video will help you save your plants from the extreme hot weather. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.